Okay, what I'm going to do now is give a rationale for what we're doing with our VEX Hexbug robotics. This is one example. It's a dump truck. What we've done is taken the dump truck and we've taken the front wheels off that came with the dump truck, and we put motors on these red blocks and wheels to both drive and to steer the dump truck. Notice that the connector here, this bar that the motor connects to, does not match, the holes do not match up to the holes in the VEX, so we've had to adapt by using a pin and a gear to hold the beam right here, this Lego beam, onto this VEX plate. This allows us to use a driver with the Microbit as the brain controller to drive the truck, as you've seen in other videos, the dump truck. Now, that's the way that looks. Now, why are we doing this? Here is what VEX company offers for education. It's very popular, especially in North America. And you will see a price right here, $749 for the controller and the VEX robot kit. As far as I can tell, that's what you're getting. Here is something that's available, VEX Hexbug, and here you see that these are not motorized, except for that one there, which is quite expensive. But we can buy these kits way cheaper and then motorize them ourselves with this system. And then we can use programming. Here's the programming that we use. Block programming. This particular program shows communication between two different microbits using radio. We are using one microbit with an app called the MBit, BST MBit app on a cell phone to communicate, to drive the motors on this dump truck, as you've seen in other videos. We have installed an extension called Superbit. Here is the Superbit product made by Boom Company, not expensive. And by installing that extension right here, the yellow block, we can then call on our motors to go forward, backward, left, right, using this extension. I try to put the code in the description of the videos where we're using code so that you can click on that URL extension link and download this whole program as you see it, or more complicated, on your computer. Then download that onto a Microbit, plug it into the motor driver power bank, and then operate your Hexbug kit using our adapted motors, wheels, and this power system. This power system is capable of driving this kit. We don't need a higher voltage system, so we can use this system. There'll be more on this.